Meghalaya Chief Minister on Wednesday inaugurated the newly constructed boarding building at Pine Mount School in the presence of Education Minister Lakman Rimboy, teachers and students of the school, fulfilling a promise made after students highlighted the poor condition of the hostel during his visit in 2022. Sangma recalled interacting with boarders who had raised concerns over leaking roofs, damaged floors and unsafe living conditions, following which the government initiated the construction of a new boarding facility. He said it was gratifying to return to the school and see the assurance translated into reality, adding that the new hostel would provide students with a safe, hygienic and dignified living environment. He also reiterated that improving educational infrastructure remains a key priority of the government and stressed that meaningful development requires sustained commitment and responsiveness to people's needs. The Chief Minister also launched the She Thrives initiative comprising sanitary pad vending machines to promote menstrual hygiene and dignity among girl students. He said the program would be rolled out across the state, adding that the initiative was aimed not only at improving access to hygienic facilities, but also at changing mindsets and creating a supportive environment for girls. During an interactive session, Sangma told students that while government jobs are limited, the government is creating employment opportunities by promoting entrepreneurship and expanding sectors such as tourism, IT, agriculture and food processing. He encouraged students to think beyond conventional career options, identify local challenges, and pursue innovation and entrepreneurship to create sustainable livelihoods.
This is what I put up that time. If you can see, on the 17th of October 2022. And I said, raise my students. I met them, of course. And I went to inspect, and this is what happened. So this is just to share with you how things happen and how, even small moments can make a big difference. And I think it's a very appropriate way to also share with you the program that we're calling She Thrives. So while I'm very happy with the building, the hostel that has come up, I congratulate everyone and I wish the students who will be staying there the very best. And I'm sure that it's not just about, a hostel or a place to stay. I'm sure it will become a place where many children who could have never dreamt of coming to Shillong from the villages, from rural areas, to be able to study in a school like Pine Mount. I'm very happy that a small decision that was taken that day has opened up avenues for our young girls from different parts of the state. Friends, She Thrives is not a program in itself. Yes, there are 3, 4, 5 parts to it. But more than the different components that make up the She Thrives program, remember that at the end of the day, The She Thrives program is more about our mindset. And in the larger sense, that is what we are trying to achieve. It's about the mindset of the individual. Our girls who are studying in schools and having different challenges, from hygiene to having proper ways to dispose of the sanitary pads, or to go to proper clean bathrooms, which are day-to-day practical challenges that we face. So whether it's a change in their mindset to speak out, to be confident, and to not let these challenges overcome you. It is about the mindset among other students, among the boys, to know that they need to respect the dignity of a woman. And they also need to change their mindset. She Thrives is about the mindset of every single faculty, teaching, non-teaching staff, every single officer, and every single person in society, to know that every girl is somebody's daughter, is somebody's sister, and therefore, as a person in society, we should be able to connect and make sure that our mindset is in that line where we are understanding and we respect the dignity of every child and every woman. And therefore, through this program, a very humble program, I don't want to talk too much about it because I am not here to raise the bar and tell everybody that everything will change tomorrow. It will not. Change takes time. But what is important is to become part of that change. Is to ensure that we set a goal, a vision, and a target in front of us. And it's important that we believe that we will achieve that change and that every person should give whatever they can in their capacity to make that change a possibility. That is what we are trying to start today.